In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail password if you forgot it. So to start, if you've logged in before on your device, you can go to Chrome. Now click on the three dots at the top right. Scroll down and go to settings. And once you do that, at the left side, you need to click on autofill and passwords. Next, what you need to do is to click on Google Password Manager. So you should see Gmail or Google and click on it. So assuming this is Gmail or Google. Now once you click that, hover over the password and click on the eye icon to reveal your password. So you may need your PC or phone lock password. Next, another step you can do is to go to myaccount.google.com. Now once you're in here, you need to go to security and sign in at the left side. Click on it. Next, what you need to do is to scroll down and look for password manager. So tap on it. So scroll down and here are different sites and apps. So once you see Google or Gmail, open it and go to password and click on the eye icon to reveal your password. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching.